Hello everyone. Ever wish you had a personal barista in your kitchen? One with the precision of a scientist and the charm of a cool professor? Meet the xBloom Studio coffee machine. An all-in-one specialty coffee maker that's part high-tech gadget and part coffee artisan. It's designed to brew cafe-quality pour-overs at the touch of a button, yet also let you geek out with full manual control when you want it. In this overview, we'll dive into the xBloom Studio's key features, design, and how it fits into the real-world routine.